The Sukhoi Su-57 is a fifth-generation, single-seat, twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by Russia's Sukhoi company. It is designed to operate in a variety of missions, including air superiority, ground attack, and reconnaissance. The Su-57 is a highly advanced stealth fighter that features advanced avionics, cutting-edge sensor systems, and a sophisticated weapon suite. It is equipped with a range of advanced technologies, including advanced radar and electronic warfare systems, high-performance engines, and advanced weapon systems. One of the key features of the Su-57 is its stealth technology. The aircraft's stealth capabilities are achieved through the use of a combination of advanced materials and design techniques, including the use of radar-absorbent materials and special coatings, a streamlined shape, and reduced heat signature. The Su-57 is designed to have a reduced radar cross-section, making it difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track the aircraft. In terms of performance, the Su-57 is designed to be a highly maneuverable aircraft capable of performing complex aerial maneuvers, including high G-turns and tight turns at low speeds. It is also capable of supersonic flight and has a maximum speed of Mach 2. The Su-57 is equipped with advanced engines that provide it with high thrust-to-weight ratio and excellent maneuverability. Overall, the Su-57 is a highly advanced and capable fighter aircraft that is designed to provide the Russian military with a cutting-edge air superiority and ground attack capability. While the Su-57 is still undergoing testing and development, it is expected to be a formidable addition to Russia's military arsenal once it enters into full operational service. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.